Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, March 31st. Currently seeing some low clouds out there and a little bit of sunshine, but that will be short-lived as we continue to see clouds increase ahead of our next weather system, which will be bringing some scattered showers across the southern half of the Delmarva late this afternoon and into the overnight hours. Let's take a quick look at our satellite loop this morning. We are seeing uh, quite a bit of cloudiness across the mid-Atlantic region. We were seeing just a little bit of sunshine, as you could see on the satellite image earlier, but we're going to continue to see an increase in mid and lower level cloudiness as we go towards this afternoon. You could see it becoming thicker here across western portions of the state, and that's going to continue to advance eastward with rain showers then developing late this afternoon. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, there you see that low that's bringing those showers across portions of the southeast. That's going to continue to move eastward and slowly strengthening before it moves off the coast, off of the Carolinas, and that's going to give some rain showers across the southern half of the Delmarva tonight, and they should be ending by 10 a.m. at the latest tomorrow. We will be seeing that low then start to kind of hang out well east of the Delmarva, and it is going to deepen a bit, which will allow for some windier conditions as we go into the next couple of days. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, we are seeing those winds fairly variable and light earlier this morning on the surface, then easterly around 10 knots between 1 and 3,000 feet before shifting more west northwesterly at 30 knots at the 6,000 foot level, increasing to 75 knots at the 25,000 foot level, seeing our freezing level this morning just a little bit below 5,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing a high in the mid 50s. We are going to see those winds increase from the east as we go towards the late morning hours and continuing to increase from the northeast once we get to the afternoon. Winds will become gusty in the late afternoon period with gusts to around 30 knots or so in the overnight period. So we are going to be expecting a wind advisory and we will be seeing a low near 42 degrees tomorrow morning. As far as rain goes, can't rule out a slight chance of a sprinkle in the afternoon until 4 p.m., but it looks like we won't see a good rain chances start until we get towards the late afternoon period, with rain becoming likely after 8 p.m. and seeing perhaps even a moderate shower or two between midnight and 6 a.m. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, currently seeing a few clouds near 1,500 feet, broken at 2,500, overcast at 20,000. We'll continue to see that cloud deck scatter to broken at the 2,500 foot level throughout much of the workday today, and then seeing that deck of mid to upper level cloudiness slowly lower as we go through 4 p.m. By 6 p.m., going to be seeing a scattered clouds near 800 feet, broken at 2,000, overcast at 10,000, and then seeing those ceilings around 500 feet or so with those rain showers tonight, with overcast between 1,000 and 2,000 feet. And then that will continue as we go into the mid-morning hours of Wednesday. Should start to see things break up a little bit once we get towards the late morning hours of Wednesday tomorrow. Tide's still a little bit high out there at 1 to 1.5 foot above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Take a quick look at some weather models, starting with our short-term weather model, just to show you how these rain showers are going to develop across the Delmarva region. This is 6 p.m. We should start to see some showers across far southern portions of the Delmarva, and then once we get towards 8 p.m., those showers will intensify and start to move north, impacting the Wallops region and perhaps the Salisbury region once we get towards midnight. After midnight, so that looks like our best chance to see some more moderate shower activity, and that will persist through about 8 a.m. and then between 8 and 10, just seeing an isolated sprinkle with rain ending by 10 a.m. tomorrow. Taking a little bit of a longer look here, this is going into tonight with that low pressure expected to give us those showers, and then you can see this low really is going to kind of stall out here well east of the Delmarva over the western Atlantic, and it is going to deepen just a little bit and swing back up towards the northeast. And as we go into Thursday, that's going to possibly give us some breezy conditions, which could extend into Friday as well. But otherwise, remaining dry after tomorrow morning for the extended outlook here. You see that low still going to be hanging out for a while as we go into Saturday, and but otherwise that should be not influencing our weather too much as we have high pressure develop over the southeast. And it's pretty weak high pressure, so it is just going to give us really an extended period of very seasonable conditions under partly to mostly cloudy skies once we get into Thursday, into early next week. This is Sunday, still not seeing really any chances of rain. We are going to be seeing a weak shortwave pass right now that looks too weak to really introduce rain chances for Sunday and Monday, and then possibly seeing our next system as we go into the middle of next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, going to be seeing a high of 54 degrees today, high of 52 tomorrow, with those rain chances overnight and rain likely ending around 8 a.m. but could see an isolated shower through 10 a.m. and then becoming mostly cloudy to partly sunny tomorrow. Thursday going to be partly cloudy and breezy as we have that pressure gradient a little tight over the region as that low continues to spin well east of the region. Looking at a high of 58 for both Thursday and Friday. There is going to be a little bit of a spoke of energy from that low moving through the area Friday, so that could give us an uptick in cloudiness, but right now not looking like it's going to bring any additional rain chances. But as we go into Saturday through Monday, looking at some very seasonable conditions with the lows in the low 40s and highs in the mid to upper 50s under partly to mostly cloudy skies, so a little bit of a period of some benign weather and looking at a little bit of some more milder temperatures as we go into early next week. That'll do it for your daily extended weather briefing. Have a great day.